like just stand out as much as possible. Like whether it be through like the way you act, the way you talk, the way your story even, like just find a way to be memorable and find a way to stand out among like anyone else who like the judges or the anyone or whoever you're pitching to may be listening to. And like that's completely up to you to decide. Everyone would stand out for a different reason. Like I might have stood out from, drinking from a water bottle during a debate round, but you can't drink from a water bottle during a pitch and then say like, oh, I'm different. Or you could, but it's probably not going to be as memorable as it would, speaking at like however many words per minute we speak at in debate. Find a way to be memorable. Any like quirk that you have that's kind of unique amongst your friends or amongst anyone you talk to, like highlight that, I guess would be a good place to start if you want to know how to really stand out or be unique in your pitch. That's what I would say.